So again, in the fourth unit, we'll discuss about the basics of turbo machinery. So basically, how the if when the jet of water will be impinging on a flat plate or a curved plate, how does it what type of forces it will be creating, and then those will be the basics of the turbo machinery, and based on that we learn how to create velocity diagrams and what is the work done and efficiency. Those kind of things we learn about in the basics of turbo machinery, and then using these basic concepts we explore about the more details about hydraulic turbines. So what are the different types of turbines, and what is the head, what is the efficiency of a turbine, and what are the differences between impulse and reaction turbines, and then what is the design, hydraulic design we must follow. So all these things will be explaining in the hydraulic turbines part of this particular unit 4. And then of course followed by that is the performance of hydraulic turbines. That means how do you go about designing a turbine, what is the comparison, how do you compare between two different turbines using the geometric similarity, and then how to improve the efficiency of turbine. All these things we can discuss in the hydraulic turbines performance part of this unit 4. That is about the complete unit 4. Then finally unit 5 talks about, I will explain more details about the centrifugal pumps and reciprocating pumps. Basically these are the two major classification of pumps is also another hydraulic machine. This comes under hydraulic machine like turbines. It is also these are also hydraulic machines. So these hydraulic machines are used for generating the uh, head, that means generating the pressure in the fluid. Then how to lift the water from a lower level to higher level using the centrifugal pumps or reciprocating pumps, where you use these kind of pumps, and how to calculate the discharge and head and efficiency, what is the power requirement of these pumps, different situation at different conditions, and how do you go about calculating the performance of these pumps, and drawing the performance characteristic curves. So these kind of things we will be discussing in the centrifugal pumps and reciprocating pumps. So all said and done, with all this, by learning this all these 5 units, you can be a master about how to tackle the subject in the examination in terms of fluid statistics, kinematics, and boundary layer theory, turbines and centrifugal pumps. Everything will be taught to you, including the problems and also the concepts. Importantly, the concepts, and then problems, how to tackle the short answer questions, long answer questions. All these things will be taught to you during this tuition, FMHM tuition. That's about the complete syllabus, and you can see the syllabus here also in this link, tuition.tech-talents.in/fmhm, that is fluid mechanics and hydraulic machine. So if you follow that link, you can see more details about this particular subject. That's about it, and you can see more details about my profile in urbanpro.com, urbanpro.com/venu mtech mech. If you go to this link, you can see my profile, and also you can search on YouTube using Mech Talents India. If you see type Mech Talents India in YouTube, you can see some of my videos in all the fields of mechanical engineering. So welcome to my tuition once again. Any questions, you can send mail or contact me on my website tuition.tech-talents.in. Thank you.